Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable shake to turn on the flashlight in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see shortcuts and accessibility. You have to press on this. Now here you can see smart motion. Press on this. If you want to enable shake to turn on the flashlight, you just have to turn on the button. By this, if you shake your phone, your flashlight will be automatically on. That's it. So this is how to enable shake to turn on the flashlight in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.